Here's ShareBuddy app. It's one of the apps, to share expenses between each other. It's just one of the apps popular in Denmark and I guess in Scandinavia. So not sure if you can use it outside of Denmark, but that's basically the idea here. Then you can just log in here. There is your email. Just log in with email and password, and then you can just, if you're going to the party together, you're going for a brunch, you're planning a trip, then you can just split all the payments between each other and send like payment requests and see how much you will get and how many people will get, or just super easy way and super easy app just specifically to split your payments in one app. Of course, in Denmark there are apps from Lunar, like you can split. If you're using Lunar, there is a specific app for that. There is a special app from Danske Bank for mobile pay. But you can also try it out. Hopefully they will go to other markets soon and not only Denmark or Scandinavia. So try it out.